Here she is, dude.
That's right, baby.
Dude, let's go, Landon.
Let's go. We got it dialed. We got it so dialed. We're gonna get on them halibuts.
Let's go.
Ready to get on them butts with this fucking fish finder?
Dude, we're
see all the halibut.
getting on some good halibuts.
I don't see any halibut on this. Fucking flat ass fish.
Got a couple of jigs set up. It's gonna be a good one, boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Stay tuned, dude. We're about to be out on the water here. You finally made it out, and it looks like we're already getting bites, dude.
Let's go, baby.
You
Already getting on them. Come on. We're gonna get that huge hally today.
let's go.
Let's go, baby.
I keep feeling them take it, bro.
What's that?
So I keep feeling them take it, but they drop it.
Yeah, that's what they do. Sometimes you can't time it right and like set the hook.
Stop.
Most of the time, just letting them eat it for a second, like a few seconds. 2-3 helps, and then I just set it. The big ones, they just inhale. So like, I feel like the bigger halis are like a little like easier to hook.
Yeah, because they just swallow
instead
it.
of just like biting it and playing with it, they'll
Yeah.
just fucking engulf the things. Their mouths are fucking huge.
Yeah, they'll just eat the whole,
And
the
just,
whole
like,
bait.
Feel it and then just set that motherfucker.
Maybe stuck on something.
Dude, bro, look at this guy.
Yeah, they both got demolished.
Demolished.
Absolutely demolished.
Absolutely.
Could be a couple barracudas too, dude.
Could be for sure. Definitely.
R.I.P. R.I.P.
I feel like it is. Because the fucking... This shit's shredded.
Oh yeah, the treble hooks there section.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it too. Mine too. Oh, it's not nice, man. It's not nice.
Fuck it. I get another one.
Down she goes. I'm putting this time in the rod holder.
Bitch. God damn it. You fucker. Look what you did, bro.
That's hilarious.
It is, yeah. Get in that fucking water. BJ.
We got Courtney showing up after us trying to fish for 3 hours on her third cast. Catches a fish, as usual. That's just what she does, dude.
It's that new rod, Juju.
Dude, she's just a natural winner. Just a natural winner.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
First fish, let's go. On the beaky. What a beaky on, what a beaky on.
Oh, nice little hally, actually. Hold up. That's actually a nice one. Oh shit. Here, just let it do its thing. Make it ready. If it wants to run, let it run. Dude, that might be. That's. Oh.
Hey.
Nice, Hallie.
What a beaky on. Got a beaky on.
Shoo.
Let's go.
That might be just short.
Yep.
Yeah. 2021. And you can put your rod in the thing and start in free school. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Pull her in. Bam. Nice. Solid.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, 20.
He's 21.
Pretty much.
Yep. Want to keep him?
No, 22.
That'd be 22.
Oh, it's 22?
Yeah, 22.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome.
But yeah, that's a goodie.
Pretty.
Perfect hook. Perfect hook set. Yep, I think we should be good.
Careful, they're fucking floppy motherfuckers.
If he opens up his fucking beaky.
Hey, you can use the fish tongs if you want to.
First one.
We'll have photo?
Yeah.
Here.
I'll get the G Pro footage.
You.
Alright, there we go, Danny. Shoo! First one on, Bubba.
Oh,
Almost
yeah.
legal.
Let's go. 21 inches, just shy. Let him go.
Let him go. Here, Bubba.
Belly flop.
Gone.
Let's go. With a beaky on.
With a motherfucking beaky on. Nice.
Nice. And for the second catch, we got a hookup bait that hooked up to a seagull.
We're just trying to make bait. We're catching seagulls today.
Okay. Here. I know.
He said, did you hear? You might be better off just cutting it if you want and just retie it.
I just don't want him to have any line around him.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
It's alright. You could bite me.
You don't want to. You never say. Come on, Bubba.
No, sir.
Hold on.
Sir.
Okay.
Hey, and he fucking shit it all over you. That's a good seagull shit.
Alright. Hi, seagull.
That's epic. What the fuck?
Here, let me see if I can.
Landon just caught this fish without even knowing it was on. We got tangled up with his line.
That's a pretty one.
That wasn't my line, was it?
Yeah, it was your line.
Ah.
We got tangled up somewhere on your line, and he had a fish on the entire time. That's hilarious.
Why wasn't it?
Alright.
Cutie.
Landon seems to be on a good one.
Maybe, maybe not.
He's fighting like a good one. He definitely ain't no little chump.
Oh, bass is what he is.
Oh, he is a chump. Fighting like a Goliath.
Dude, he was fighting pretty good. Look
Dude.
at this little guy go.
Dude, he's strong.
He's a strong little guy.
Look how tiny he
Dude,
is.
he is tiny. Dude,
That-
you almost fought stronger than that fucking big old Hallie I got. There you go. Yeah, thank you.
What? It's that angel ray action.
That's an angel reaction.
Well, did you see how much water it just spit out?
Dude, that's a 30-pound angel ray.
That was a good fight for you.
That's fun.
That was an intense fight. You want to bring it close to me and I can get it, or you got it? Landon just hooked up on his first soft plastic right here. First time ever. Let's go, Landon. We're living. We learned. Oh. There you go.
Got yourself a bass.
Got it?
Yeah.
We got a couple seals early morning. Chasing the boat right here, feeding. Landon setting up the new life well since the other one took a dump on us yesterday, unfortunate.
Bad dump on us yesterday.
Overworked. She was overworked.
Overworked, rather.
Alright, we'll see you guys when we get a fish on.
Moving towards me.
Nice. Little cuda right here.
Yeah.
On the life bait for some reason.
Little fucking cuda. I had a feeling that's why I was pulling like that.
Might take that lens up. Clean that lens up real quick.
Alright. Well, first fish, huh?
I would use your towel to grab him because that fool is so slimy.
This is how I grab him now.
Alright. How long do they have to be keeping?
28.
Damn, that's a big ass fish,
Yeah,
dude.
it's like white sea bass.
I would just grab him right by his torso, bro.
Nah, nah. Hold on. This is.
It's that slimy cuda. Here, you need pliers? Right here.
Tore my thing up.
Is that the new rig you just tied on?
Yeah.
Boy, do you think he ate that whole sardine?
Oh, he fucking ate it.
If he did, that's fucking crazy. We got a fish on board, we got a fish on board. So I'm saying ground with it. Yeah, and I guess you don't want to ground with that towel if you want to clean it up. Hasta luego. What a splash.
What a splash. Fucking slimy.
Alright, on to the next one. First fish on. Let's go. I think he came off just now. Motherfucker. Oh my god, he wasn't hooked. Alright, we got landed on.
It was like a Hallie.
Hopefully we get a hookup right here.
It was like a Hallie at first. Nope. Nope, sand bass. Let's try sand bass.
Nice.
Huh? Easy release.
Came off. Quick release, quick release.
Baby.
We like that, we like that.
Like that.
Especially if it ain't a keeper, we like that quick release.
We like that quickie.
We got one on now. We got one on now.
Let's go, baby.
That's that Hallie.
That's a good Hallie.
That's that good ass Hallie.
That's a good ass Hallie, baby.
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go. Hey, let's go. That's how we do it. You know what we do. You know how we does it.
Ooh, that might be just shy of that lead. Shoo. Let's go.
All right, let me grab the lippers. Chill the fuck out. All right. That's the homie, just shy. Woo! Yep.
Nah.
Just shy.
Yeah. Hey,
I mean,
pull
he-
back more. so it's gotta be the forks. You gotta bring the fork of the tail up.
Mm-hmm.
More. Like unpinched. Here, let him go. Thank you.
Well, that's that 21er. That's that 2021er.
There.
Just shy.
Yeah, just shy. It's at 21.
Good
20,
shit.
20 and a half.
Let's go.
Good shit, Danny boy.
Oh, Landon got another one on.
Feels like a Howie.
Feels like that good Hallie.
Feels so much small. Yeah, it's a small little. Well, it's not little, but definitely not legal. Good, quick release.
He came right off. LOL. That's some funny shit. Oh, I see him right here. Swimming out.
Later, Bubba.
It's that little homie.
That's a good quick release. Oh, it's fighting now? Oh,
That's
part
a
of
good
Howie.
fighter.
That's part of that Howie now. Come on. Yes, sir.
And that feels like a good ass Hattie boy.
That's a nice one.
It's small. It's a smallie.
Oh. Yeah.
Seemed bigger, felt
Yeah, he
big.
fucking fought though.
Dude, that's that strong boy.
That's
Whoa.
a strong boy Hallie.
Alright,
That's a small Hallie strong boy.
let me get that weight over here.
That bitch from preschool, yeah.
There you go. Beautiful.
Hey, got the Hallie.
Another one. Let's go.
It's still a Hallie.
Here we got another beautiful halibut. But shorty. Let's go. Gone. Gone. Another one on. Yep. It's a big
Nice
one.
bass.
It's a good looking bass.
Nice.
That's a biggie.
That's a good, that's a good bass right there.
Yep. Thank you, brother.
Nice.
There you go.
That's good enough.
That's what I'm talking about.
15.
There you go. Let's get the hook out real quick. Let's measure him just for shits and giggles.
Yeah.
Even though we're not keeping him. Okay.
14.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that 14er?
Yeah, it's at 14. Is that legal?
Beautiful spotted bay bass.
You.
You guys can see him. There you go. It's a beautiful fish right here. Love these freaking patterns on them. Incredible. All right, buddy. Have an incredible life.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we're on something. That's another sea bass right here, boy.
Nice sea bass. That's a nice sea bass. Yeah, there's some bigger ones here for sure. Nice. Nice.
Beautiful
Nice
fish.
job, dude.
Let's go.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Thanks, brother. Let's put him down.
What's up, Danny Bob? Free spool it. Yeah, you can put it in your rod holder if you want and put it in free spool.
Good call, good call.
Bam, bam, bam.
Alright.
Pull her in. There you go.
Let's place
There
it
you go,
right here. Thank you, sir. Where's the lip grippers? They're right next to you.
What's up?
The lip grippers to your left?
Yep. There you go, brother.
Thank you.
There's a ton of fish right here. Yep, here we go.
Beautiful white sea bass.
Beautiful, man. Oh, dude, beautiful. Okay. Did you measure it?
Well, it's too small. Because I think they got to be 28.
Yeah.
All right, we got something on. It fucking tugged like crazy.
Dude, that was crazy. That thing ran, man. I mean, that thing ran, man.
Oh my God, it's a doormat.
Yeah, it's a nice Hallie.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Oh my God.
Back to back.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go, dude. We're in the same spot, Landon. Let's get the hook out real fast.
Come on.
Let me see. All right. He's treble hooked. All right, got the hook out. Where's the lip gripper?
Huh?
The lip grippers.
Oh, the lippers?
Yep. Oh, they're down there on the bottom.
I have a feeling, bro.
Dude, I'm keeping this one too.
Oh, yeah.
I need fish to take home. All right.
For good measure.
For real
Nice
good.
one. Nice, bro.
Let's
You don't
go.
want to pinch the tail on halibut.
Okay.
Right here, nice and wide.
Right here, dude.
Boom.
About the same as yours, dude. Like
Pretty
23,
much.
24.
Pretty much, yeah.
Sick.
Right there. Nice job, dude. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Come on.
Can you grab your phone and get another pic real quick? Sick.
Yeah, hold it out again. Yeah, like that. Nice. Sick,
Cool.
dude. Epic.
Let's fucking go.
Nice job. That's what I do. Put them in the net.
The J hook might be there. Let's fucking go! Boy, that thing took off like a fucking machine.
That thing took off. Sometimes that's what they do, bro. It's crazy. Oh wow, the treble broke.
No way. Oh my
Yeah.
God. That is crazy.
It's actually wild.
I got one.
Yeah, if I was able to get one.
Maybe I broke the treble hook as I was pulling it out of his mouth.
Could have been like that. Oh no, don't.
Sicky.
Hold on.
You're good. Just showing the camera.
Okay.
Solid 25-inch halibut. We put in the work today. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
We're gonna dispatch this sucker off camera. Shoo! You! Yeah, we're done now. We're done now. Started at 5:30, leaving at 7:30. Our trip came to an end. We had a good ass time with Landon and Courtney. Shout out to them. Thank you for letting me stay with you guys. We caught a ton of fish. Some on camera, some off camera. We're still getting better at this whole YouTube thingy, but thanks for watching. Really appreciate your support. Thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Chew.